ahead and install vz102445. It's been a long time for this video waiting. This one is full carbon fiber. The wing and the winglets, the hardware for the mounting is metal. We also do supply it in matted black and gloss black. It does come with all the hardware included, which is quite a lot. Comes with the two mounting brackets. Then it comes with the brackets that go onto the spoiler. It comes with the two arms, they're adjustable, and the two side wings. So you want to grab the bracket and then put it into the indentation of the spoiler. And you want to grab the 12 bolts that are included in the hardware. Then you want to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Grab the bracket and put into the indentation. So now you want to grab these longer bolts with the Allen key head, and you're going to use these for the arms. This one lets you move it if you want. Alright, so you want to grab the bottom piece that is going to go attached to the car. You want to grab the smaller ones, the Allen key. Thank you, Hans. Same thing you did on the other side, you want to go ahead and do on this side. So we're just going to go ahead and grab this, start bolting it in. Then you want to go ahead and grab your bottom bracket and start bolting that in. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the padding, which should protect you from getting any scratches onto your paint of your trunk. You should align it to your holes. Now make sure you give it good pressure. The same thing you did on the other side, you want to go ahead and do here. Now we're just gonna flip it over. Now you want to grab the wing and you want to put a washer. So same thing you did on the other side, you want to go ahead and do here. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up the lid of the trunk lid. You want to make sure the holes are aligned. So now we're putting just the liner back on. Should be the hardest part. So the spoiler has on the bracket 1, 2, 3 holes. You do have a pre-made hole on the trunk, which should be this one. Then you could make a hole right here to access the second bolt, and then you can make another hole here to access the other hole, and the same thing on the other side, so that way your spoiler doesn't move at all, going nowhere. It's really good secured, does not move at all. So that way once it's secured really good with the 2 bolts in the front and in the back and then 1 in the front, your spoiler doesn't move at all. I know you guys like driving over the speed limit, so might as well secure it right. Remember guys, I don't have body shop experience, therefore this is our take on how to install the vz102445. It is something that you could do at home. It does not require that much experience. I think assembling the spoiler is pretty easy. The only tricky part is making the hole into the trunk, which I kind of did wing it. Don't tell my boss. Remember, as always, like and subscribe, leave comments below, let me know how I screwed up or I did a good job. I'll appreciate it.